Hello everybody, thank you for coming to this week's video blog here at California Realty Training. My name is Rico. Hope you're having a great day because I sure am. Listen, again, let me remind you of something. You got to subscribe to this channel if you want to get some good stuff. Our objective, don't forget, is to bring as much real estate information to you as possible. Why wouldn't you want to take it? It's free, huh? So please do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. Now today's topic, ready? Here it comes. Wait for it. Today's topic is actually pretty good, a little serious, but I want you to relax about it. Not a big deal. Today's topic is this. We're going to start a series, a small series, not a big deal, small series on different types of encumbrances. That's a key word there. Encumbrance. That's the key word. Now we want to start off today talking about what encumbrance is. But throughout the next few weeks, we're going to talk about specific encumbrances. And we've talked about a few in the past. But today I want you to understand what an encumbrance is. Now what is an encumbrance? Is it a positive or a negative word? I'll wait for you. All right, good. It's a negative word. Encumbrance. It's encumbrance, it's a negative word. It's a burden, it's a hindrance, it's a constraint, it's an inconvenience, it's a disadvantage, it's a drawback. I call it baggage. I see a lot of these dating apps out there today, right? All these dating apps. I'm not too familiar with them, but I know you gotta do this swipe left, swipe right thing. These dating apps. Why do people go on these dating apps? Because they're what? They're filtering out people, kind of, sort of. They're seeing if some of these people have what? An encumbrance, right? Like an encumbrance. If some of these people aren't quite what they want them to be, not have the characteristics that they want these individuals to have, it might not match up with them. Got it? In my opinion, it's kind of like an encumbrance. Got it? Well, we're looking at this person and we're saying, do I want to take this, into my life? Does it have baggage? Do people have baggage? You tell me. Well, of course, some of us have baggage. And we have to ask ourselves, do we want this baggage in our life? When it comes to real estate, the same darn thing. You with me? Some houses have baggage, and that's what we call encumbrances. The deal is this: we got to figure out, well, if houses have encumbrances, what type of encumbrances are there? So I want you to think of encumbrance as an umbrella. Got it? Negative umbrella. What goes under this negative umbrella? Ready? Liens. How about deed restrictions? I don't want to go deep on it yet. I'll go deep on that another week. How about easements? Oh, I know some of you know what easements are. Easements, that's a negative thing, can be. It's under the encumbrance umbrella, right? The negative encumbrance umbrella, easements. How about encroachments? The word encroachment, you tell me, is the word encroachment, is that a good thing? Of course it's a horrible thing. Well, sure as hell isn't it a positive thing. How about licenses? Somebody takes away the license on a house. Is that a negative thing? Of course. So all these are encumbrances. Just like people, man, houses have baggage. That's what I call baggage. So now what I want you to do is this. Understand that the word encumbrance means constraints, a burden, inconveniences, a nuisance, obstacles, all these negative challenges. Got it? That's what an encumbrance is. Houses have a lot of these encumbrances. But I want you to do is understand what types. Got it? Coming up in the next few weeks, as we go on, I'm going to give you specifics on what type of encumbrances there are in houses. Got it? Good. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Otherwise, we'll see you next week. Keep on learning this stuff. It's going to make you tons of money if you do it the right way. Give it all your effort and learn as much as you can. Hope to see you next week. Have a great day.